You guys ever wondered what a CAMMED 6.0 sounds like? Here it is, with open headers. So that's what it sounds like before. Here's sound decibels, right at 116. So we're gonna put some kind of mufflers on it to quiet it down for him. All right, guys, 2006 Chevy Silverado step side. He's making it into a drag truck, I think, because he's got it notched and everything. I'll show you guys in a second. So he brought it in. He's getting it still tuned and built, but his neighbors are complaining every time he takes it for a test drive. So he's like, I gotta make it quieter. So what he's done, he's gonna get long tube headers for it also and everything. But for right now, he did all this work himself. He cut the cats off right there and there. And ran pipe in their place. You can see the custom fuel lines and everything. So he's working on it, and it was just cut to here. So we started right there. That's where we started with the work, and ran 2.5-inch pipe into 2 carbon TRs right there, a set. Look at that, beautiful. And the part number on them are right there. CVE TR 25s, 2.5s, right there, 2 of them. And then we just dumped them because there's no way to run them over the rear axle because of what he did to it so far. So there they are, right there, dumped. So we'll let you guys hear it. And you see the custom work he did there and there to notch it and everything. Look at that, to drop it real low. There's the dumps right there, 2.5-inch on a Chevy Silverado step side. So we let you guys hear it before with open headers. And now we're gonna let you guys hear it with the carbon TRs. And like always, guys, make sure you know that we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. So if you're ever in the area, come say hello. 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 And like always, guys, like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. Step side. Look at that idle, a lot better. Now it's like 82. Yeah, 83, 82. Still sounds bad though. I love it. Go ahead and rev it now. It's still bearable now. It was way too loud before. Sounds sick though. Here's sound decibels again. 115. I don't think his neighbors will complain as much as before. It needs long tube headers. That sounds good. The carbon TRs. Wow. I like them. Let you guys hear it on the inside.